I'm back. So, hi. This is the second edition of the Halloween series. Happy Halloween, everyone. Yes, look, I got contacts in again. So a quick just overview kind of thing of what we're doing today. I will be recreating a Glam Gore look. If you don't know who Glam Gore is, or Mikey, she is a special effects / she's a beauty guru. Like, she does glam makeup, but then she does special effects, gory, spooky kind of makeup. Go check her out, subscribe, she's incredible. I found her last month, and I am obsessed with her and her channel and just everything that she is. I don't know, like, I don't know. I love her. She's so cool. She's creative. She's inspiring. She's talented. She's funny. And I feel like we'd be really great friends. Hit me up, Mikey. I want to hang out with you. Currently, she is my favorite YouTube channel. So entertaining. But anyway, this is gonna be a Glam Gore themed video, so let me restart the video a little bit. Hello, zombies. That's what she says in the beginning, and I probably butchered it, but whatever, something like that. But I'm turning myself into a zombie today. I'm excited, I'm scared, I have no idea what I'm doing at all, and this could turn into a disaster and a epic fail, or this could be epic. So we're gonna get started. I'm going to recreate a video from 3 years ago. It was the Speak No Evil Zombie Mouth Special Effects Makeup Tutorial. I'm scared. Out of all her intricate tutorials, this, to me, seemed like, oh, I could do that. I think I could do that. You know? It involves cotton balls and liquid latex. I'm like, 2 ingredients right there. You only need 2. And I'm just gonna watch her video and follow it to the best of my ability and try recreating this Halloween look for you guys today, since it is Halloween, and this is the only time I'd probably do this. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's get into this video and turn myself into a zombie. Alright, this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna watch this video, and I'm gonna try to figure out how to put it on. I'm still a little bit, like, I like playing around with videography, but I need to go a little more in depth in my ability to use, my video editing software. So, hopefully I can put the video up in this, like, little corner or something around here. Jumping right in.
Cover your lips in concealer or foundation so it's the same color as your skin.
Okay. Yeah. I did that, kinda. It's almost the same color as my skin. Put some maybe foundation.
Excuse me, bangs. You will need liquid latex and some cotton balls. Roll it out, tear off a small piece, then we'll be able to make a mustache.
Oh my gosh, you're really getting into this already. Alright, I kind of unrolled it. Tear off a piece. Make a mustache. I did it, Mikey! I made a mustache. Okay. So that's what I did?
So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to lay liquid latex down on her upper lip and then set the cotton on top of that. Cover that cotton in liquid latex until...
She's just going right in. Alright. Wow. These are finally coming in handy. I've had these for what seems like decades now. Dipped in the liquid latex. Oh man, I've never used any of this stuff before. I have no idea what I'm doing. She said, cover your... Oh, this smells so bad. It smells like bleach.
Pretty fully saturated, and this is how you're going to be able to mold it. What the heck, man?
This is already rough because it's literally not letting me touch the cotton. I'm struggling a little bit. So I guess I'm gonna try to paint red now.
Area, and then pretended like it never happened by going back to the cotton. But just so you guys know, you should put this red base color down before you start putting cotton on top. Otherwise you're gonna screw yourselves like I almost just did.
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm screwing myself as we speak, Mikey. So let's continue this debauchery, I guess. This is hard. Pieces, like...
You can also take really thin pieces of cotton and add them in yourself if you find that there's any gaps that you want filled. So after taking a step back and looking at it, I decided that it was kind of a puny mouth and I wanted it to be wider. So I put my red down first and then I built up the sides using the cotton and latex. I also went in with my palette knife and poked around a little to open some of the holes. Alright girl, or boy, now that your skin is looking shapely, it's time to color it.
You're like done already, and I'm not even...
And dry, because if you don't dry first, you're not going to be able to paint.
This is like an inspiration. Sorry I'm not talking a lot. I just need to concentrate.
And dry, because if you don't dry first, you're not going to be able to paint on the wet latex anyway, and you're going to ruin your brushes.
Oh.
Who said you could stop? So to paint, I'm starting out with a brown aqua color by Krylon, and I'm going to put that all over the surface of the cotton and latex. But I'm not going to put it on super opaque. The reason we're doing this is... so that when we put our foundation color on top of everything, it'll blend out much more evenly, rather than it being extremely light where the cotton is. So once we've got our darker base on the cotton and latex, then you can put your foundation color over top and it should blend out very evenly into your skin. Then using a red aqua paint, I'm going to accentuate holes both downward and upwards. This is going to make it look a lot more jagged and a lot creepier. Then I'm taking a cool toned brown eyeshadow and I'm going to dust that over the entire thing lightly with a fluffy brush. And what this does is it gives a little bit of extra texture and is another way to make things look more realistic and to blend with your skin. So I thought I was about done here, which is when I started adding scab blood. This part's pretty easy, just get in there. I usually use a palette knife for this, but you can also use Q-tips, or you can use your fingers if you're not feeling too trypophobic at this point. But Lord knows I am, so that. But once again, after stepping back and looking at it, I decided that it wasn't done and it needed to be a little bit bruised. I used this dark purple cream paint to do that. I covered the entire area lightly, and I put down the color heavier as I was pulling out away from the gaps. And that's how you do this look. Halloween is over, so you may be wondering, what occasion can I possibly wear this at anytime soon? Might I suggest Black Friday? It could make people get out of your way if you're trying to get that big screen TV. Just saying. Plus, it looks good in both regular light for those of you shopping inside of Walmart, and low light for those of you waiting outside of Walmart looking like the stampede that caused Mufasa's death. I know, too soon. But let's be honest, you don't really need an excuse to wear this. If you're an SFX fan, then Halloween is our day.
Baby, I can make it right. So I'm close to baby. We can talk about